So what is intrauterine device? Intrauterine device, so these are the intrauterine contraceptive device. So they are placed in the uterus and they release some substance or they produce in some reaction, inflammatory reaction, so pregnancy is prevented. So T-shaped object that placed in the uterus to prevent the pregnancy. IUD or IUCD must be inserted during menses. It is extremely effective without using the hormone, greater than 97%. Must be in the monogamous relationship. So there are many types of intrauterine contraceptive device. So previously Lippis loop is inserted, and in today's era copper T 380. Okay, so in this copper T there is a presence of copper, so that is inserted inside during the after menstruation or after immediately parturition or after delivery. So copper T, its period is up to 10 years. It can be put in the inside the uterus. So what is the difference between copper T versus progestasert? So 99.2% effective. Copper on the IUD acts as a spermicide and blocks the eggs from the implanting. You have to must check string before sex and after shedding of uterine lining. While in the case of progestasert, the period is 1 year, 98% effective. T-shaped plastic that release the hormone over a 1 year time frame. It thick the mucus blocking the eggs. Check string before sex and after shedding of uterine lining. Sterilization, that is a permanent method. So that is procedure performed on the man or woman permanently that sterilize. So in female tubal ligation is performed. In the male vasectomy is performed. So tubal ligation, so it is a surgical procedure that is performed on the woman. Fallopian tubes are cut, tied and cauterized and prevents the eggs from reaching the sperm. Failure rates vary by procedure from 0.8% to 3.7%. So it may experience the heavy periods. Also laparoscopic sterilization performed in the woman band aid procedure. So in that laparoscope is inserted by abdominal root and fallopian tube is identified and band is it's inserted above this fallopian tube and that part is cut and cauterized. Vasectomy, that is a male sterilization procedure. In that vas deferens is ligated. No scalpel technique, NST is available. Faster and easier recovery than tubal ligation. Failure rate is 0.1%. It is more effective than female sterilization. So these are the steps of vasectomy. Physician locates the vas deferens and inject the local anesthetic Incision is made in the scrotum and vas is isolated from the surrounding tissue. Segment of the vas is removed and the ends are tied. Vas is returned to the position, incision is closed and process repeated on the other side. So this is a vasectomy. Then which are the methods that based on the information regarding the ovulation, fertility pattern. So withdrawal, that is also known as coitus interruptus. So during sexual intercourse, when ejaculation is happened, then at that time penis is withdrawn from the vagina. So ejaculation does not occur in the vagina. But in this method, the chances of contraception is chances of getting pregnancy is there because some fluid that goes inside the vagina. Second is natural family planning method. So in this, if the woman knows is a ovulation time and cycle is regular, menstrual cycle is regular of 28 to 30 days. So in that ovulation normally occurs 14 days of cycle. So the okay 9 to 16 days of this cycle, it is considered as a period during which it is a unsafe period. So if you do sexual intercourse during this 9 to 16 days of the cycle, then it will result in the pregnancy. So avoid sex during this period. So that is natural family planning method. Fertility awareness method. So in that you should know about the time of ovulation and avoid the intercourse during the before 5 days of ovulation and after 5 days. Abstinence means avoid the sexual intercourse complete. So that is also a method to prevent the pregnancy. Second is the lactation amenorrhea. So when lactating mother is there, so there is no secretion of passage inlet, so there is no ovulation occur. So at that time it prevent the pregnancy. So these are all the method that based on the information of the fertility. So these are all the about the contraception.